Hi, I'm Kara Amir with Coldwell Banker. Are you ready to buy a home? It has a lot to do with your state of mind and the state of your bank account. Getting both into shape may require some changes. Here are 4 habits to adopt now if you want to score your dream house this year. Number 1, ditch an indulgence or two. Saving up a down payment is key to buying a home. So, save the ideal 20% by reducing some regular expenses. Cut the cable bill, use public transportation, and please ditch your daily coffee shop habit. Number 2, make a savings account just for your down payment. By opening a designated home savings account, you can get into the habit of depositing a set weekly amount. Soon enough, you can have a tidy amount for a down payment. And number 3, do a trial run at homeownership. Being able to afford a home is more than coming up with a down payment. You also have to be able to pay your mortgage and any maintenance. Test out your cash flow as a homeowner by setting aside the anticipated amount of your monthly home-related expenses and see if you can get by. And number 4, pay your bills and know your credit score. To buy a home, you'll need a credit score in the 600s at least. The best way to keep your score high is to pay every bill on time. Check your credit score once a year to make sure nothing unexpected is keeping your numbers down. Adopt these habits and you'll be in your new home in no time.